Starbucks workers are going on strike around the country to demand better pay. Workers United Union claims that more than 300 stores nationwide are on the picket lines this Christmas Eve. However, this number has not been confirmed by Starbucks. Our Merrill Hubbard went to the strike in downtown Madison to show us their demands.
The picket line behind me represents workers from 4 different unionized Starbucks stores in Madison. They are calling for fair wages and a contract.
What do we want?
Contract!
When do we want it?
Now!
Dozens of Madison baristas are joining in on the final day of a 5-day national strike.
We're protesting the way that they've been approaching negotiations.
Senua O'Connor is a bargaining delegate for Starbucks and has been representing baristas' voices at the bargaining table for the past 9 months.
The pay, the benefits, and the offers they're making just simply were insulting, I'd say.
The strike was called by Workers United after negotiations with Starbucks broke down last week.
My understanding is Starbucks is not really coming to the table in good faith to have a serious conversation about agreeing in a contract.
A contract, higher pay, and improved benefits are all on the worker wish list. But baristas say that the company doesn't respect their needs.
I love being a barista. I just think we need to be paid more and need to be treated fairly. And it seems like right now they just don't respect us and the work that we do enough to actually do that.
Any worker deserves to have a living wage and have benefits and be able to afford health care and be able to afford to live a full life.
Starbucks sent a statement to News 3 stating that the union prematurely ended a bargaining session this week after they asked for a minimum wage increase the company deemed not sustainable. Starbucks says we are ready to continue negotiations when the union comes back to the bargaining table. Still, the union is pushing through on the picket line.
I think it'll take more stores unionizing. I think it will take more people coming to the picket line.
Reporting in Madison, Merrill Hubbard, News 3 Now.
In response, the coffee chain had agreed to negotiate an initial contract by the end of the year for workers at more than 500 locations who have unionized. Starbucks says it is ready to continue negotiations when the union comes back to the bargaining table.